guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a jewelry unboxing for you, and it's gonna be from Cartier and also from Lana Jewelry. So if you're interested in what I got, please keep on watching. So you guys, I know I just unboxed a bunch of Cartier stuff on my last few videos, but I am here again to unbox yet again another Cartier piece. And I'm also going to unbox a few Lana Jewelry, and I'm not sure if Lana is offered anywhere else, but I got mine from Saks Fifth Avenue. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Em. This is That's Lux. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to do so, please click the red subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I'm going to start with Saks Fifth Avenue, guys, because let's be honest, I want to save the best for last. So let me show you what I got from Lana Jewelry. So this is the box that the jewelry comes in. It just says Lana Jewelry, and it's just a white plain box. These items were actually ordered or special ordered for me because they don't carry it in the stores. They're always sold out, and they are just this yellow gold necklace right here. This is what it says. It says hello Lana girl, and this is actually like a choker type necklace, and it's with the diamond cut with it's like a diamond cut way of doing a necklace, or the gold. So that's just what it looks like, and it retails for $345 here in the States. So this is just what the necklace looks like up close. Very, very dainty, and it also is adjustable. It can be adjusted to 3 different lengths. If you could see here, there's 3 holes, 3 different holes where it could go to. I don't know if you could even see that. Right there. And when I first saw this one was the Cartier SA, and Saks had it, and I was like, oh my god, I love your necklaces. And she actually had it layered on where it looked super, super dainty and classy. And this is actually the same exact necklace, but this box doesn't say hello Lana girl. This is just what it looks like there, and this is the necklace up close. And it's what I said, it retails for $345 here in the States. Same exact necklace, both in yellow gold. So what I actually plan on doing with the necklaces is layering it up. So I'm gonna link the other end of the other necklace here to extend it like so. So it's just a long piece of jewelry, and then you wrap it around like a choker. So this is what the necklace looks like up close, doubled up. You could also wear it separately, where this one you could use it as a shorter choker, and you could use this one in a longer setting. It'll give the same effect. But honestly, if you link it together, it's more comfortable, because the way how the diamond cut is, it kind of cuts to your skin. Honestly, not the most comfortable, but very dainty nonetheless. So, you know, beauty is pain, guys. Beauty is pain. Let's move on to the Cartier unboxing. All right, you guys, so moving on to the Cartier piece. And do you guys have any idea of what I got this time? It comes in this beautiful red box and this beautiful red bag, and I can't wait to show you. So this is what the box looks like. Up close, it just says Cartier there. It comes with another red box as always, and it reveals, yes boo. So it just says Cartier up close there. And this, my dear friends, is the Cartier Love Free Bangle, or also the Love Thin Bangle. And I also already have the thicker bangle right here in rose gold. And both of these pieces, my Just Unclue and my thicker Love Bangle, is in rose gold. But I decided to get this one in yellow gold just to spice things up a bit. So this is what the bracelet looks like up close. This is also a size 17 to match with my thicker rose gold bangle here. To open it up, there's actually a little divot right here. This means that it's open because if you look at the little round rivets around the bracelet, it lays flat, but this one is on the other side. So it means that the bangle is open. All you have to do is open it up like so. And then it comes with a little screwdriver, just like the regular bangle. So you find the little knob, you guys. It's right here. And then you take the screw and you screw it closed that way. So now you see what I'm talking about. Now it lays flat to where it's the same design as the other rivets. So now that's locked and you can't take it off. So this is what my arm candy looks like, the current situation. If you actually look up close, like in person, you could really tell that these two are rose gold and this one's yellow gold. Initially, when I first got this bracelet, I was like, are you sure that this is yellow gold? Because it looked exactly like my two rose gold pieces. But as time goes on, especially if it hits a certain light, you could definitely tell that this thin one is yellow gold. Look how shiny this new one is, and look how beat up my old one is compared to it. How crazy, right? Super, super pretty. My Justin Clue is not as beat up because I do take this off more often than my bangle. You guys know when I did my review that I barely take this one off. If you haven't seen that review yet or that video, I will link it in the description box below. And yeah, that is what I got. So I wanted to show you guys what else came with my purchase. So obviously it came in this Cartier bag. They also gave me a travel pouch, and this is just what the travel pouch looks like. I also got a travel pouch for my original Cartier bangle, but they didn't give me this little pillow thing. So this time they gave me a pillow thing, a travel pouch, and I noticed that their travel pouches now have like little pockets inside, which is great. So you could put the screwdriver in here and it won't scratch the bracelet. And also what I showed you earlier is, of course, the screwdriver that comes with the bangle. Honestly, guys, I think this bracelet is super adorable. It is a great alternative to the thicker bangle if you're not into the whole like can't take off your bracelet type of thing, because it's I think it's a preference. What I did notice, you guys, is if I can remove my jewelry, especially my Cartier pieces, I tend to do so. So just like with my Cartier Love necklace, I thought I was going to use it all the time. And when I do get into the habit of using it every day, when I do have it on, I don't take it off even if I shower or like exercise or anything. I keep it on. But if I do take it off, I take it off and it stays off for a while because I like to rotate my necklaces. I am a necklace type of person. I think that's the few jewelry pieces that I can't like do without. Like my earrings, I can't do without my earrings. Like I need to have earrings on. And guys, I just got 2 new piercings on each side. I got baby piercings. I don't know if you guys could see, but yep. So my earrings, my necklaces, and my love bangle, the one that I can't take off, are like a staple. And if I'm working, I usually wear a watch. So those are the jewelries that I wear. Sometimes I do without my rings. So it just depends on the situation. I have been wearing my Cartier rings all the time. Usually I have this thin one here, and this is how I wear them. So that is it for my video and my unboxing, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, I will see you on my very next one. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate each and every single one of you. I love you all. Namaste. Bye.